Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions, and I'm coming at you today from Gillis Falls Creek, right near the Newport Road crossing, which you should be hearing the train blowing its horn any minute there. You can see the crossing's way up in the corner going off. It should be Q372. Nice K5LA. AC44 liter, it appears. $516,491. These are a whole bunch of interesting cars, I'll tell you that. I'm laughing a bit now inside because old main guy just was like, oh my gosh, it's all, ooh, Conrail coil car, NYC, that's nice. Old main guy was saying, oh my gosh, it's all YN2 power, you should go for it. And I'm like, I know, I'm seeing it now. One auto parts box car, that's pretty nice. Some rebar. 245 and 537. All this YN2 power, it's like a homage to the 90s right now. Always what I remember seeing. Whole bunch of different tankers as usual. Mix of corrosives and of liquefied petroleum. And there's the last car. There it goes, guys. This wonderful spot in the woods here along Gillis Falls Creek. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and please get out there and clean up that litter.